Hello, I'm Mac. Today I come to our assembly factory. So after cutting and welding and painting, we send to the assembly factory. Our process from 0 to 100 all making by us. So today I will show how to from one screw to one machine, all the program. Now we take the part to our product line. We first step will fitting the under part, so we will first fitting the carry ruler. Carry ruler, two sides use two bolts. We all use the Loctite. After fitting the carry ruler, we will fitting the adult ruler. Adult ruler set by the spring. So the spring will be adjust this chain how to tight. After you working, make the chain give the more comfortable. So after we use fitting complete, we use fitting two traveling motor. After this carry ruler, adult ruler, traveling motor, we complete the fitting. We'll change to the machine to side. We'll fitting door plate the cylinder. Also, we will fitting the main part, the bearing. This bearing, how to the machine can swing. So this main part is the swing bearing. Also, it's joy swivel. Because the upside pressure, how to go into the downside. Also, the hydraulic pipe not get the problem. So the part is coming pressure to the swivel. Swivel inside have the hydraulic oil line. We'll go the traveling motor and door plate. This bearing we all use the strong bolt. Also give to the Loctite. This 12.9 is for the bolt is hard, so they will give a strong support. Our all is the hydraulic part. We have the protect the cover because the downside maybe you go some project or some trust place to work. So we have the product to protect the hydraulic pipeline. We will make the pipe in safety. Also machine for the long time working. Underpart already assembly is complete. So we will send this part to next step, assembly the engine and hydraulic pipe, hydraulic pump. After underpart complete assembly, we will send to protect the place. So we first step will check this swing bearing, this bearing. So we will ask this inside for the front side have 3 grease points. So one is for this bearing inside for here. One is for swing motor to this bearing, how this gear. Also another one for boom swing the cylinder. So after we complete check, we give the cover and the traveling motor pipe is connecting complete. We'll check this upside all is bolt is work or not. We all check after we will start to assembly. After all screw is checking, we will give this swing bearing give to one cover because when working maybe in the project having some trash. So we will give one cover to protect the swing bearing and to the swing motor not get the trash. This one for the 16C. So this uses the Kubota engine. Also we give to 8-piece mountain. After you working, you not get the vibration. From exhaust to the cylinder, we give the cover, not make this working, the room get the heat. Also is for the pipe. Also after engine complete fitting, we will give to mountain to get the joystick, chair, everything in the upside. About in the machine front side have 3-piece grease nipple. This 3-piece grease nipple, one is for this boom swing back side because it's also have one pin. So we also give to grease. This downside 2 pieces for this just I show the swing bearing inside and outside. Inside for the bearing. Outside for the bearing to the swing motor, the gear to gear. So here is the swing motor. About this swivel, we gave to the lock. After this main lock, this lock for the when you working the machine, they kind of for the swing, but the hydraulic valve also is working properly. After fitting this engine, and you will see the engine and the hydraulic pump is the same time to assembly, because we have another place to the fitting the hydraulic pump. So here for air filter, after we fitting this mounting have the bolt. This totally 8-piece bolt. So after the front upside, we're fitting the chair and the operation handle. The whole machine except the swing bearing, because swing bearing have the main power, so they use 12.9. All the bolt we use 8.8 bolt, the stronger bolt. This is our 16C. So after we assembly complete, we will all make the pressure, give the cylinder and the dozer. We check this cylinder and the machine get the hydraulic oil leak, or this pressure enough or not. We will be checking. All these cylinder will give the pressure, like the machine, like the 1 hour to the standby to get the cylinder and hydraulic is all working properly, or get the we will inspection all connection or hydraulic cylinder. This table for joystick checking and also fitting this connector for each machine. This Kubota engine for HY16C. After this from the Kubota factory, we will give to our is mountain for fitting our is excavator. Also give the connection hydraulic pump. Also this cylinder give to cover. The table for the swivel fitting. So we'll fitting the joist, the always connector after we checking. So here for always swivel fitting to hydraulic pipe connector. Here for our skid loader is assembly factory. So we will this 316C, this 480D. All making by this assembly factory. This for ready stock, this assembly to support assembly, this skid loader. All is stronger steel pipe. This side for the cover, also for the handle. From our assembly factory, all assembly complete. We have inspection department. After any machine have one card to check the details. After can send to our warehouse to delivery. This for inspection department to check the details. We will first who is in charge to check this machine. Also have the date. So also check this how many parts is missing or not. So next we will give the engine serial number and machine serial number. So all the bolt check, all the hydraulic pipe check, all the connector check, also the engine oil, hydraulic oil, also coolant is checking. Also check the painting, outside cover, or electrical wire. After checking, also test all the cylinder and the driving oil is working properly. Also next is check the engine speed. How many speed? Some machines 2,000, some machines 2,600, some machines 1,800. It depends. So after complete, they will checking at least the 20 meter running. After who is inspect, who will give a signature. After inspection complete, the people is signature. We will give all is give to grease. So this machine ready to the our delivery center. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more the details, you can connect me and Mac. You also can leave the message under the video. I appreciate. Thank you for subscribe our Huai channel.